everybody, I am back again today, this time reacting to an older video of Cutie EV2s. This was filmed during the 4th of July in Waynesboro, so yeah, we're gonna watch it together. Let's check it out. Yeah. Blue watches the Waynesboro fireworks censored version.
What?
What?
What happened to this car?
Oh my gosh, someone fell on it?
According to the word, it looks like the freaking a
Yeah.
freaking tree landed on it.
A tree or a person?
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
That's crazy.
Holy oh my god, I hope that freaking person was not in that car.
I know, what is this?
Then, oh my god.
This is so sketchy.
Would have been screwed.
Mm.
I really hope those are not storm clouds.
I think they totally are. Censored version, huh?
Me? No, you.
Pranking people, haha. Thank goodness they're not complete strangers. That wouldn't end well.
Run away, run away.
Run.
It was rude.
Huh.
But to be seriously,
I like the clouds, actually.
Oh my god.
That was low. That was a low firework.
There was a firework coming right there. There was a firework coming right there.
Yeah, it was like that this year here. Lots of people in the neighborhood were using them. It was great, actually. They were better than the park. I didn't even watch the parks this year. The neighbors were so good. They were everywhere, literally. Hard to watch.
I really hope, to be seriously, I really hope.
Oh. I like how the lighting changed. That was cool. May as well before the rain comes. I think I actually saw lightning. Hopefully no fire marshal comes to see you. Oh, a war. What are you surprised about, Blue? It's not that unusual.
I hope that right there is not a storm cloud.
I love how you're freaking out about the storm cloud and the fireworks. Like, come on. You know, if you don't like the fireworks, the storm is good. If you do like the fireworks, the storm is bad. But you just keep freaking out about everything. Blue, it's okay. It's okay, Blue.
Seriously, doesn't it look like storm clouds? Like, there's
yes.
Totally like freaking storm clouds right here. Like, seriously, look at that right there. It's like so black right there. Like, so black. Right there.
Oh boy. And that was after the fire at the park. Man. The wind. The wind has picked up. Yeah. Listen to that wind. It's terrible.
Goodness gracious. Like, oh my god. And it's like not freaking time yet. Like, seriously, like, it's not freaking time yet. And everyone's like literally making random fireworks. Like, that one right there.
Oh no.
Like, what
I like it.
is going on right now? Like,
it's a holiday, Blue. It's okay.
Finally, the official ones.
Oh, you only like official ones. I see how it is.
Man, look at this right here. It's so beautiful, right? Freaking beautiful.
So,
Like,
unofficial ones aren't pretty.
The official fireworks are
That's
stunning.
funny.
Like,
I think
oh my
they're all
God,
the
like,
same to me.
Yeah, like, eat your face, you freaking knockoff. Whatever.
Aw, I thought the knockoffs are good. Honestly, they were better than the Stand Park.
This is the crap I'm talking about. These are the official crap.
Like, we literally had people shooting those off. It was insane. Oh-ho.
Yeah, look at that one. Look at that one right there. So beautiful. Just beautiful. That. Look at that.
Yep. I'm gonna have a sip. Nice.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Hi, Blue.
Oh man, look at that. Look at that right
Can't wait
there.
to see some new videos.
Look at that. Look at that. Not gonna lie. Look how freaking cool is that right there? Like there's freaking lightning back there while there's freaking fireworks right there. How freaking cool is that? It's like
Yeah,
a freaking
the
double
lightning
show right
was
there.
really neat, actually. I think you had worse, like, clouds and lightning compared to Stanton. Totally didn't
Oh my
see much
it's like
here.
a freaking WrestleMania. It's like a
Ooh. It's over already? Usually when I hear so many, I think it's the end.
Oh my god, look at this.
Okay, it's not over yet.
This is what I call beautiful. Beautiful. Beauty.
You should have like your own brand of fireworks, Blue.
Look at that beauty right there.
It'd be cool if it made your face in the sky or Jules' face.
Oh yeah, beauty.
Or both of your faces. Huh.
Oh, look at that beautiful blue one right there. Oh man, look at that. That is so gorgeous.
More
So
blue.
gorgeous.
We
Right
need
here,
more
look at that.
blue
Look at that.
fireworks.
Boom, boom.
More blue fireworks. Come on. Enough with the white.
Look at that right there. Ooh, look at that. Boom.
There was a little blue or purple.
Okay, that was so cool. That was so cool. Oh, look at that. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, sometimes I think I like them more if they didn't have such loud booms, you know? Whoa. Multicolor.
That's what a little girl said. Did the power go out? What the frick? Oh my god.
Ooh. Is that gonna be blue? No. Hmm.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Need more
That's a big
blue.
boom boom right there.
Need more blue fireworks. Come on. Blue is the best color,
Big
obviously.
Boom, boom. Well, what the frick? Boom boom.
Okay, I do like those. Those remind me of Disney. Ooh. Looks like that house is getting wrecked. Oh man. I know it's not, but it looked like it. So many. Are we done? Is this the finale again?
Oh, look at that right there. Look at that right there. Ooh, yeah. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. It's cool. In fact, every single one of them were beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at that right there. Beautiful. Beauty.
Mmm.
Oh, look at this one. Is it gonna be beautiful? Frick yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Even though it's tiny, still, it's beautiful.
Okay. Goodness, goodness.
Oh, look at that one right there. Ba-boom. Ba-boom.
Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Fireworks are by far the best thing ever.
But only official fireworks are the best thing
Oh,
ever.
yeah, they're just by far the best thing ever. Whoever invented it definitely deserves an award.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I mean, if we talk about like gunpowder and fireworks, most people usually think of, you know, China.
Whoa, look at that one. Whew. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Beauty. Beauty. Oh, that's a big beauty right there.
Ooh, blue-green. I like that.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Lots of, like a Christmas one, but then it had some blue. The blue was nice.
Yeah!
Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, pretty nice. Ooh. Blue-green. I like that.
You gotta be kidding.
A train?
No, that's camping. No, frick, no, train, no, train, please, no, train, no, this camping,
Yeah, I totally thought it was a train. Are you on the train tracks?
You got to be
Are you parked
kidding.
by the train tracks? Really?
No,
I mean, that's kind of neat.
train, no, stop, train, no.
That's actually kind of cool. I've never seen a train on the 4th of July. You can still see fireworks. I still see them. There we go. Still see them. Not a problem. It's... Yo, Blue, calm down. It's just a train. I've never seen one that close before. Honestly, this is really neat. And just think about it. That's the person working while you're enjoying the fireworks. You know, maybe they would have liked to have been out there watching fireworks too, but they have to work. So you're just cussing them out when they're probably feeling a little sad, you know? Just thinking about that. Aww, Blue. Blue. Aww. Yeah. Time for some tea, man. Actually, come to think of it, I guess you could have crossed the train tracks before the train came, once you knew it was coming, and then you wouldn't have had to, film the train with, it blocking the fireworks in pieces. Anyway. Not that I encourage you to run across train tracks, but, honestly, it made your video kind of exciting. I've never seen a train that close. Well, a train in America that close. Let me put it that way. Subways, yes. Metros, yes, but not that type of train.
Is that it? Oh, never mind.
Oh, you'll know when it's the end. It'll be...
I don't know how it happened. It just did. Boom. That'll be the thumbnail. That will be the freaking thumbnail. That will be the video. That will be sold up.
I love how you're thinking about your video. Yep, finale. All the sounds. Yay.
Yeah, look at that right there. Look at that right there. Beautiful right there.
It'd be cool if we had New Year's fireworks.
Look at that. So beautiful.
Although it's colder,
Freaking gorgeous, baby.
Ooh.
Look at that. Freaking beautiful.
Ooh.
Wait, is that the freaking finale?
Yeah. Yeah. When you have that many, it's the end. It's literally all smoke. I mean...
Oh my god.
Yep. Smoke.
Oh my god, yeah.
Honestly, the smoke shapes look pretty neat. Like, almost looks like a really dark silhouette of maybe Godzilla and that dark shadow on the right side. But he's disappearing now. Ooh, spooky season. Spooky season, here we come.
Fireworks are awesome.
Don't pass out, Blue. Don't pass out.
Anyway, let's go home.
Bye. Have fun walking home, driving home, everything. Wow, the train was really interesting. I know you complained about it, but honestly, I mean, how many people, were able to catch both trains and fireworks in their videos? I'm just saying, pretty unique. Alright, well, I hope to see you all again next week, maybe reacting to a Cutie EV2 video, hopefully a new one. Yeah, I'll see you all again sometime soon. Until then, bye-bye.